Thinking about moving from Norfolk to McLean? This isn't just another relocation, it's a transition to a new chapter. But before you pack your first box, let's walk through the moving costs and what impacts them so you can plan confidently. Moving costs aren't one size fits all. What you pay depends on three big factors: how much stuff you have, the size of your home, any extra services you need, like packing or storage. For example, a one-bedroom apartment costs far less than a full family home with furniture and appliances. For moves like Norfolk to McLean, which aren't cross-country but still substantial, movers often charge based on time and crew size. Smaller homes with fewer items typically fall into a lower cost bracket. Larger households with bulky furniture or specialty items naturally cost more. Getting multiple moving quotes gives you the most accurate estimate for your move. Want to keep your moving bill reasonable? Start with decluttering. Fewer boxes mean lower costs. Also, book your movers ahead of time and compare a few quotes from trusted companies to make sure you're getting good value for your move from Norfolk to McLean. Professional movers bring peace of mind. They handle the heavy lifting, protect your furniture, and keep your move on schedule. Choosing movers with great reviews and transparent pricing helps reduce stress and makes your moving day go smoothly. Moving from Norfolk to McLean doesn't have to be overwhelming. Plan ahead, compare quotes, and choose trusted movers to make your relocation smooth, efficient, and stress-free. Click the link in the description to get your free moving quote today.